wrinkles, and Lumitone reduces the look of puffiness, bags under the eyes, and fine lines. Try Lumitone free. You only pay shipping and handling. Call 1-800-994-7976. That's 1-800-994-7976. Call 1-800-994-7976.
In a world where snacks have gone over.
Oh my God, Chris, watch out! Oh! He didn't wake up with the loud ass music, but he woke up with the sound of the engine. It's what, 5 o'clock in the afternoon? It's 5 o'clock in the afternoon. And Chris is sleeping in the car while we fix the sprinklers. What? You did all these masks, Chris? Look. Man, you're sweating, man. Look at your hair. Look, you're sweating.
I've been in the car for so long.
You're gonna put the dirt. No, you're gonna put the dirt back first. Get the shovel. Hurry. Get the shovel. Put the dirt back. Quick. Start over there. Over here. Quick. You already slept too much. This is There you go. Yes. And you're gonna fix that one over there in the corner, Chris?
How?
And that one over there? And the one over there? And the one over
How?
there? Huh?
How?
With that shovel?
That's impossible.
No, it is possible.
No, it ain't.
You have something to say? This is going to YouTube.
This is boring.
Boring is sleeping, right?
Why would you even post this on YouTube?
Hmm?
This is boring.